Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. It is 10:19 in Honolulu, 3:19 in New York on Tuesday, 8th day of March, 2022, and this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. Traders, we are recording the show a little early because of the extreme volatility and incredible moves we have seen in gold. Gold made a play for the all-time record high, trading to $2,078.80, under $10 shy of 2,088, the record achieved in August of 2020. And even though gold is trading about $30 off of today's high, it is still up by $56.20. That is a 2.82% gain and currently fixed at $2,052.10. We did send out a trade alert. We'll speak in detail about that when we pull up some charts. Dollar weakness definitely provided moderate tailwinds, taking all of the precious metals higher. The dollar index is down by about 0.25% and fixed at 99.055. Both silver and platinum gained over 4% in trading today. Silver traded to a high of $27.50 and is currently fixed at $26.91.5. That is a rise of $1.20, and platinum gained about 4.55%, a $50 gain, with an ounce of platinum currently fixed at $1,167.30. But it was palladium that stole the show, so to speak, gaining almost $250 per ounce, well over $3,000 at $3,151. That is an increase of 8.58%. Of course, that is due to the fact that Russia accounts for 40% of the annual global production. Traders, first to our current trade. As you know, we entered a long position at $1,893.10. We sent out a trade alert this morning recommending that once again we raise our stops. It seems like we've been doing that almost every day. Our current stop now is sitting just below $2,000 at $1,995. In terms of current levels of resistance, we see resistance first coming in at approximately $2,022. Above that, $2,059, and above that, $2,088. Now, as you can see, current pricing is absolutely pegged at that resistance area of $2,059. And so it will close in a couple of hours, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it close around this area or a little bit higher on the day. This has been an extremely volatile day, as you will see when we pull up some short-term charts. To give you an idea of the extreme volatility and the quickness of pace in which gold not only rose but fell, I draw your attention to this very short-term 5-minute chart. Gold opens at 8:20, which is effectively 3:20 a.m. in Hawaii, and this is in Hawaiian time. So the approximate open of New York today is right here. It traded flat for just about a half an hour and then began a historical and quick rise up to the highs of the day, which came in just shy of $2,080. In other words, in the period of 65 minutes, gold gained about $65. In other words, approximately $1 gain per minute as it first traded in New York. It then sunk to a low of approximately $2,050, made a second attempt to move to higher ground that pretty much matched this top, and then oscillated up and down. And as I said, currently we have gold fixed at $2,055, up $60 on the day. And traders, I do believe that gold will continue to rise, but I felt safest moving our stop just under 2,000. That to me is a critical level that was resistance that I believe will become support. The reason we didn't move it any tighter than that is that the market volatility had increased to such a great degree. We actually saw pricing hit a low right around 36 after moving up to the high. In terms of the levels, as we spoke about yesterday, this is the all-time record high at 2,088. We're working on a weekly chart. 2,059 is this top. 2022 is this top. And of course, 2,000 is this top. And that's why I believe that these are fairly accurate and strong levels that are potential resistance points. However, the way gold flew today, I would not be surprised if over this week we take out 2,088 on a closing basis. Lastly, assuming that gold is able to take out this record top at 2,088, and you can see how close it came today to doing that, where could we see gold go to during this leg of the rally? My sense is at minimum $2,110 is a very logical point, because that is the 1.382% extension of wave one. We are now in a wave 5 scenario with a subcount 1 through 5. As I've been speaking about, I believe we've hit 1, we've now hit 2, so we need to forecast where 3 could go to. Typically, the model that we use is a 1.618 extension, and if gold moves to that level, that would take us to $2,167.50. However, it could even exceed that. The question is, we have pretty much seen gold rise in a parabolic manner over the last 5 weeks. But when you get this kind of a parabolic move up, you can expect that a correction can be a strong correction on the way down. So therefore, we want to be very cautious, continue to rise our stops if needed on a daily basis to maximize the profit that we take out of this trade. Currently, even if our stop was hit at the price of $19.95, we would have $103 profit on the trade. If we got out where gold is currently trading at, we would be up about $150. So I don't want to give up what's on the table right now, but we have to account for the wild price swings that are occurring in gold. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.